Are you struggling with persistent joint pain, unexplained brain fog, and the constant feeling of aging faster than you should? These symptoms are screaming about one deadly, silent problem: chronic inflammation raging inside your body. This internal fire is the #1 cause of Alzheimer's, heart disease, and severe bone loss. Imagine taking one simple, cheap daily supplement that works like a natural prescription to eliminate this fire. The secret is the golden spice, turmeric, but nearly everyone uses it wrong, getting zero benefit. The key problem is curcumin, the active ingredient, is almost totally destroyed by your liver before it can work. This means you are wasting your money and letting inflammation continue to destroy your health. We'll reveal the crucial 3-ingredient stack that unlocks turmeric's power and boosts its absorption by 2,000%. This stack is scientifically proven to cross the blood-brain barrier to protect memory and soothe joint pain rapidly. This is the ultimate, non-toxic, side-effect-free secret to achieving deep cellular repair and anti-aging effects. We'll expose the specific forms and the exact morning ritual to maximize its life-saving power. Don't skip the final warning about the one severe health condition where this golden stack should be avoided. Stay tuned to Natural Health Secrets to master the ultimate secret to eliminating internal inflammation forever. Are you struggling daily with persistent, aching joint pain, that debilitating, frustrating brain fog, and the constant, overwhelming feeling that you are simply aging much faster than you should be? If these symptoms are controlling your life, your body is sounding the alarm about a critical, silent crisis. These frustrating, chronic symptoms are all directly linked to one deadly, invisible problem: unchecked, chronic inflammation that is raging inside your deepest tissues and organs. This internal fire, fueled by stress and poor diet, is the scientifically proven #1 cause of serious, age-related illnesses, including Alzheimer's disease, severe heart disease, and crippling bone loss. Imagine having access to one simple, incredibly cheap daily remedy, a natural stack that works like a powerful prescription to extinguish this internal fire, restoring comfort and clarity. The core of this secret is the ancient golden spice, turmeric. But the tragic reality is that nearly everyone uses it completely wrong, meaning they are getting almost zero of its intended health benefits. The key problem lies with curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, which is almost totally destroyed and metabolized by your liver and gut before it even has a chance to reach your joints or your brain. This failure means you have likely been wasting your time and money on cheap powders, allowing the destructive process of inflammation to continue unchecked inside your body. We'll reveal the crucial, synergistic, 3-ingredient stack that acts as a natural shield, unlocking turmeric's full anti-inflammatory power and boosting its absorption and bioavailability by an astonishing 2,000%. This powerful anti-aging stack is scientifically proven to cross the critical blood-brain barrier to protect memory, while simultaneously soothing joint pain and promoting deep cellular repair. This is the ultimate, non-toxic, side-effect-free secret to achieving profound cellular repair, eliminating systemic inflammation, and genuinely reversing the biological signs of aging. We'll expose the specific, crucial forms of turmeric and the two simple helpers, along with the exact morning ritual required to maximize this life-saving, anti-inflammatory power. Don't skip the final, urgent warning about the one severe health condition, particularly if you have specific gallbladder or blood issues, where this golden stack should be strictly avoided. Stay tuned to Natural Health Secrets to master the ultimate secret to eliminating internal inflammation forever, starting today. The core of this health secret is curcumin, the polyphenol that gives turmeric its golden color and its medicinal properties. Curcumin is the potent inhibitor of the NF-κB pathway, the master switch for inflammation. The three ingredients needed to unlock this power are turmeric, black pepper, and healthy fat. This trifecta creates the perfect biological delivery system. The second crucial ingredient is black pepper, specifically the active compound piperine. Piperine is the key that prevents the liver from rapidly metabolizing and destroying the curcumin. By inhibiting the glucuronidation process in the liver, piperine ensures that the curcumin remains in the bloodstream and is available to travel to your joints, heart, and brain for up to 20 times longer. The third, non-negotiable ingredient is healthy fat, such as extra virgin olive oil or coconut oil. Curcumin is strictly fat-soluble. Without fat, it cannot be properly dissolved and absorbed across the gut lining. This three-ingredient stack turmeric, piperine, and fat is the scientifically confirmed delivery system required to turn a useless spice into a powerful pharmaceutical-grade anti-inflammatory agent. Let's examine the incredible benefits for your joints and chronic pain. Chronic arthritis is essentially joint inflammation. By delivering high doses of bioavailable curcumin and piperine directly to the inflamed areas, this stack can rapidly reduce pain, swelling, and stiffness, often providing relief comparable to prescription drugs. The anti-inflammatory effects also extend profoundly to your brain, fighting the neuroinflammation that contributes to brain fog, memory loss, and the development of Alzheimer's disease. This stack actively crosses the blood-brain barrier, providing direct antioxidant protection to vulnerable brain cells, reducing oxidative stress, and maintaining cognitive clarity. For cardiovascular health, eliminating systemic inflammation is paramount. Inflammation is the primary factor that causes fat and cholesterol to stick to artery walls and form dangerous plaque. By reducing this inflammatory fire, the turmeric trifecta naturally protects the delicate endothelial lining of your blood vessels, leading to cleaner arteries and a significantly reduced risk of heart attack and stroke. The exact morning ritual for maximum absorption involves mixing half a teaspoon of high-quality turmeric powder, a generous pinch of freshly ground black pepper rich in piperine, and 1 teaspoon of a healthy oil coconut or olive oil into a small amount of warm water or milk. The warmth helps dissolve the fat, ensuring the entire mixture is ready for optimal absorption on an empty or near-empty stomach. Remember to hit that like button if you found the 2000% absorption secret shocking, and subscribe to Natural Health Secrets. You deserve to know how to maximize your natural remedies. The anti-aging benefits of this stack are rooted in its cellular protection. Curcumin helps modulate gene expression, turning off inflammatory genes and turning on genes that promote cellular longevity and repair. This stack acts as a full-body cleanup crew, reducing the internal damage that contributes to all age-related diseases. The final urgent warning we promised concerns safety. Turmeric and piperine are potent compounds. If you have existing gallbladder disease, such as gallstones, or are taking strong blood-thinning medications like warfarin, you must consult your physician. Curcumin can stimulate bile production and has mild blood-thinning properties that may be amplified when paired with piperine. Also, never consume large amounts of these powders without the fat component, as the undissolved powder can cause significant stomach and gut irritation. We've covered the 3-ingredient synergy, the 2000% absorption secret, the anti-aging benefits for brain and heart, and the necessary safety protocols. This simple, affordable, daily stack is the most powerful tool you have to turn the tide against chronic inflammation and reclaim your comfortable, energetic, youthful body. We have now armed you with the precise knowledge to safely leverage this ultimate natural anti-inflammatory trifecta. Now, tell us in the comments below which ingredient, black pepper or healthy fat, do you currently miss when you take turmeric, and will you correct that mistake starting today? We want to hear about your plan for maximum results. If this video revealed why someone's expensive turmeric supplements have failed them, please share it immediately with them. You could be saving them from ineffective spending and continued pain. And finally, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell right now. You don't want to miss our next video, where we expose the top 3 surprising vegetables that are secretly fueling chronic inflammation in your joints. Thank yourself for prioritizing your health. We will see you next time with more breakthrough natural remedies.